So on your JBL Boombox 4, when you enable bass boost, there's a light that comes on the sides. So bass boost for deep bass, it turns orange, and bass boost for punchy turns that light white. Okay, and when you turn off bass boost, it turns off that light. So I want to show you how to enable or disable that light so that it doesn't come on when you enable bass boost, or if you don't have it on, it turns on when you enable bass boost. I'm going to show you how to enable or disable that light. So to do that, you're going to have to go to the JBL Portable app on your phone and go to your JBL Boombox 4, and you should see bass boost, and then also below that you'll see the bass boost light. So you can disable that light or enable it. Now with the light disabled, it means even if you enable bass boost, you can always go back to that app and turn off that light and keep bass boost on, as you can see. Okay, so on, off. Thanks for watching and good luck.